Start by opening your web browser and searching for Flow After Effects. Click on the first link that appears and wait for the site to load. If you're purchasing the plugin, click Add to Cart. If you'd like to try it for free, click Try to begin the download. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you saved the Flow extension. Inside the zip file, you'll find a .xexp file. Right-click the zip file, choose Rename, and change the file extension from .xexp to .xzip. Now extract this new zip file. Once extracted, you'll get a folder. Now copy the extracted folder. Navigate to the C:"Program Files, then double-click the folder named Program Files x86. Inside Program Files x86, find and double-click Common Files, the Adobe folder, and double-click it. Inside Adobe, double-click the folder called CEP. Now open the Extensions folder. Now, paste the extracted Flow folder you copied earlier into this Extensions folder. Now open After Effects. Go to the top menu bar, click on Window, hover over Extensions, and you should see Flow listed there. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Flow plugin in After Effects. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.